Spacewalker, Piper Cub, Aerobatic, Piper Pacer, and a Cessna 195, and we got the SC5 Ford Flivver coming up here, an electric crop duster, 1.5 strutter, 1 and 2, and got the Junkers JU52, and nice Piper Cub Super Cruiser. Is that right, Randy? Where's Randy? When you need him. And we got 3 Corsairs lined up here. All night fighters.
I agree with you, especially with flaps.
Nice aircraft.
So, I'm hoping probably late this month.
The de Havilland, and then we got a Piper Cub military. And then we got Richard Van Grunsven's RV4. And a Curtis headless pusher that won't fly this weekend. And the Martin TT. And Volker Eindecker, Lockheed Vega, and we got a single holder spacewalker, T-47,
Yeah, I know.
Volker D7, and a 2-holder spacewalker, and the Newport 28. Why, son of a gun here, Waco. Vernon Hallberg, flies great.
Well, they all weigh 48 or 40.
Larry Sutherland, SE5. Touch and go for Larry Sutherland. Hey, Joe Topper's coming in.
Okay. I'll orbit until I'm cleared.
Looks good, Larry. It is good, Larry. Gus Stutzman. Randy Smith-Heisler, Cub Coop. Gary Parker. Touch and go for Gus Stutzman. Descending circle. Ed Buchholz, Beaverton, Oregon. I think this is a touch and go for Gary Parker. Ed Buchholz is coming home. He's down. Very nice. Oh, Jeremy. So nice. This will be an overshoot for Vern. Nicely done. Dave Kephart from Bend into position for his second flight of the day. Hey, Vern's either coming in for a touch and go or he's down. Doug Butcher taxiing out for his second flight of the day. Spacewalker. Jesse Anglin design. Dave Kephart is down in a beautiful landing. There, he's got it. Hurlwani. That's for you, Corsair. Gear up. Nice one, Earl. Loop-de-loop for Larry Shepard. Spacewalker. I think it's going to be a touch and go for Larry. Go, man, go. Okay, Larry Shepard's coming in for his landing in a 90-degree crosswind. Down.
Dick Hansen, 1.5 starter. Bye-bye.
Larry Shepard on the camera.
Dick Hansen coming in for touch and go. There's the go. This is a landing for Dick Hansen.
Rich Babcock.
It's all in that prepayment plan.
Flying Q Quigley's Ford Flivver. Now here we're going to lose Q from the Idaho area. He's heading to Pensacola. Okay, John Desolé on his second flight of the day. Fokker DR1. Nice one, Russ. Nice touch and go for Russ Strong. Coming home now. Nice.
I don't know about it.
Hey, it's going to be an overshoot for John Desolé. Uh-oh. Engine quit. Too hot. Probably got too...
I still had to add 9.5 pounds to the
Jim Hiller's coming in. Hyper Coupe. Oh, touch and go. No. He's down. Newport 7. Dick Skoglund. Hyper Cub, J3, military. Invasion strike. Gary Parker is arriving.